Hey there, what's up? I am hoarse. Whatever allergies we got going on here in Georgia, it has messed me up. I wanted to email you, send you a personal invite to Hot Moms with a Z. I've spent, well, there's been years in the making. Spent about a year making the actual program, and it's set up to spoon feed you step by step. You have videos on every single day, every single page, every single exercise, workout, meal plan, anything you could ever wonder about. I walk you through it. I hold your hand the whole way through it. Oh, here comes the truck. What's up? Everyone asks what's in it. It's a workout. Every week you have a different workout. There's the at-home workouts if you can't get to the gym. If you can only get there 3 days, 4 days, 6 days, it has options for all of those. Everything, there is science behind each individual exercise, why I chose it, because to be a hot mom, we all want the same thing. We want tone, we want a nice booty. That's it, tone and a nice booty. We want to feel good, look good, and be healthy on the inside as well. There's a ton of support. You get weekly meal plans. There's probably a snake beside me. You get weekly meal plans every single week, and I've tried to gear them towards what women need. We need typically low gluten because our thyroids after kids, they're pretty shell-shocked. So I make these meal plans with your health in mind. Yummy, yummy stuff. You know, I'm gonna give you some type of sodas. I have chips in there. We have tons of good things. I have wine in there. So be sure to share this with everybody you know and just try it out. I'm pretty sure it's gonna change your diet and your workout game. So I will be happy to see you when you join the group. It's only 27 bucks a month. 27 bucks a month, that's it. And it's free for a week just so you can get in and try it out and see what it's about. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email, casey@hotmomswithazlifestyle.com. Otherwise, thanks for checking this email out, and I hope you join because I have put my heart and soul into this program, and it's gonna be awesome.